Flies. They're tiny, annoying. They seem to have a sixth sense. Your home, your shop, your office. But don't worry, I've got simple, effective ways. Without turning your place into a chemistry lab. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Keep it clean. Wipe down counters, sweep up crumbs, don't leave dirty dishes out. Even a little bit of spilled juice can be a fly magnet. Step 2. Take out the trash, often. Flies love garbage, use tight-fitting lids, and empty regularly. If you're running a shop, empty those bins at least once a day. For offices, don't let lunch leftovers linger. Step 3. Use screens and keep doors closed. Install mesh screens on windows and doors. Remind everyone to close doors behind them. For shops and offices with a lot of foot traffic, consider air curtains or fly strips near the entrance. Step 4. Natural repellents. Basil, mint, lavender, and cloves. Pop a few fresh herbs in a vase, or use essential oils and cotton balls near entry points. Even a bowl of vinegar with a few drops of dish soap makes a simple fly trap, and it actually works. Step 5. Check for standing water. Flies need water, just like us. Make sure you don't have leaky pipes, clogged drains, or plant saucers with stagnant water. Fix leaks and empty anything that collects water. Step 6. Store food properly. Keep fruits in the fridge, seal snacks in airtight containers, and sweep up crumbs right after meals. For shops and offices, keep food in break rooms, not at your desk or checkout counter. Step 7. Try DIY traps. Fill a jar with apple cider vinegar, poke a few holes in the lid, and let it sit where you've seen flies. They'll crawl in and can't get back out. Bonus tip: use light wisely. Keep bright outdoor lights away from doors or use yellow bug bulbs. With a little effort, you can keep your space fly-free. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and say goodbye to flies for good.